Hey all you Giga Chads, welcome back to another video. This is a review of my retro computer collection. We'll start from this one, we'll start from left to right. So here is a Gateway G6350. This one has an Intel Pentium 2, 128 megabytes of RAM and a 40 gigabyte hard drive, and it's running Windows 95. That one was made in 1998. I don't know what month or day it was made. So yeah. Next on the list is a Dell Dimension XPS T500. This one has an Intel Pentium 3, 256 megabytes of RAM, and I think I already said Intel Pentium 3, and what's the hard drive? 20 gigabyte hard drive. And this one is running Windows 98. This is actually my retro gaming PC. This one, yeah, I guess that one could be a retro gaming PC, but this one's my main retro gaming PC. Next is an AST. Next is an AST made in this one was made in 1999. This one was made in 1989. This one has an Intel Pentium 386. 640 kilobytes of RAM and a 16 megabyte hard drive, and is running Windows 2.03. Oh, and here's the CRT, the micro scan energy saving, pretty dense. And here's the CRTs of these two. Get a glimpse of them. Here's a Dell. This one's an E54. Next on the computer list is a Apple II. So good it is. This one, I'll put this here. This one has a Mazda CPU, 16 kilobyte. I'll be bad if this had a hard drive. 16 kilobytes of RAM. Yeah, that's pretty much all it has. It's running Apple DOS. And this one has a 12-inch monochrome CRT. Okay, full roundabout, and it has an Apple logo. You can see the model number because it's easy to access. Yeah, I can really show you that. Cool thing about this monitor is actually it moves, which is actually pretty cool. And the monitor, the CRT itself, the cathode ray tube, it's actually made by Samsung. So, yeah, and it needs to be retrobrighted. People don't feel like retrobrighting it. So yeah, that was the 4 main ones. Now it's time to go to the satellites. Get your son out of here. So here is a Dell Multiplex Z5. This is actually a compact version. Needs its daily slap. It's made by Dell. This one has an Intel Core 2 Duo. Man, it's so black. I can't even see it. Has an Intel Core 2 Duo, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a 1 terabyte SSD. This one's been upgraded at least 50 times because it has a Windows Vista product key, then 7 product key, and then Joe Biden. I don't know what happens after that. This one right now is my XP retro gaming PC. I use that for 98 games, and then this one for XP games. I did have 7 dual booted, but that got corrupted, so I just formatted it. So yeah, that's that one. This one has a Dell LCD, pretty race. So yeah. Then as you come over here, here's my retro software collection. I've already made a video about that, so I'm not gonna talk about that. This right here is my Lenovo. So yeah, this one has a screen because it's a laptop. Yeah, I put that sticker here. If you couldn't tell, if you're bad, if you're low IQ, who's gonna tell that? This one has Windows 7. I use this for disk burning because here's the CD. Get it good in? I can't see it, but there's a CD-ROM there. This one has a Core i3, 200 gigabyte hard drive, and a dang it. What was it, like 4? I think 4 megabyte. No, 8 gigabytes of RAM. So yeah, this one is the one I use for disk burning because Dell Optiplex 75 got corrupted, so I use him for disk burning now. And he has a cringy Microsoft telemouse. So cringe. And it has integrated speakers. So yeah, that is my retro computer collection. That's pretty much it. So yeah, got more banished givers in the closet. Not gonna show you that because it's messy as crap in that closet. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the video. Big massive peace.